Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some most unique and amazing ideas of crochet table runners and tablecloths. You will see very attractive and gorgeous designs in this video which are super beginner friendly as well. Most of these designs are one to repeat pattern designs and you will see patchwork designing ideas in this video as well. So just a few of the patchwork designs are also included, including square patterns and round patterns. So you can see this beautiful design having a granny strip pattern in four different contrasting color schemes. So all of these designs are mostly in contrasting color schemes and you will see single color designing ideas as well. So just watch it till the end to get all ideas because all of the ideas are very unique and attractive. Like this one is having wooden beadwork in it, giving very attractive and beautiful look. So just take a screenshot of any specific design which you like the most and you want to make and make it by yourself at home if you know crochet work. Otherwise, you can follow the tutorial videos which are available on my channel already because I also upload crochet tutorial videos here on my channel other than these kinds of ideas videos. So some of the crochet table runner tutorial videos are already available on my channel and I have uploaded patterns of blankets as well which can be used in table runners also. So different kinds of tutorial videos are available and if you are interested in seeing any specific design which is currently not available on my channel, do let me know in the comments and I will make it for you. So just subscribe and get tutorial videos of crochet work and ideas videos of all other handmade products other than crochet work as well, like macrame work and hand knitted projects ideas, crafting related ideas are also available on my channel. So you will find huge stuff related to wearable accessories of women and kids and home decoration ideas like table runners, rugs, wall hangings, and you will find dream catchers, etc. So stay connected to get them all. Press the red subscribe button and after that press the bell icon and then all option as well so that whenever I upload any video, you can get notifications of each and you won't miss any future update from this channel. So share your share your experience of these products with your family members and friends as well so that they can also get benefits from these type of ideas videos containing latest trends. So just make your own work and let me know in the comments how it goes. You can ask me any crochet related question as well. I will answer your questions too. And if you are interested in seeing any specific project which is currently not available on my channel, do let me know in the comments as well. I will make it for you. So share your opinion. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself and your family. Remember me in prayers. Bye.